Hi guys, Dr. Lester here today, and I want to sit and talk to you for just a second about sitting with discomfort. And this is an interesting idea because it's like the opposite of what you think you need to do, but it really is beautiful because it allows your subconscious mind and your body to really truly heal something and grow from something, because you're giving your body permission to let go. A lot of the times healing and growth can't happen because we're suppressing that, we're denying, leaning away from those kinds of things. My best friend has this beautiful phrase that I love, which is lean into the turn or lean into the spin. And it's that idea, like when you're spinning out of control, lean into it. And it's this sitting in discomfort. So I challenge you today, take 1 second to truly feel an entire event and acknowledge your emotions with that. And then tell your body, you know what? This sucked, but I'm okay. And it's okay. I don't have to hang